Hi. Hi.
Thank you. It's good, thank you. You hold this for me, please, Prue.
Sure.
Thank you. You see, Prue here, she's the first virgin I've ever met.
Virgin, yeah.
Now, I'm an intact. That's right, huh, Prue?
No one chose me.
Oh, phew, yet.
Yes, not yet. My cheek's got a birthmark, so no. Unattractive people have sexy feelings too, am I right? They're gone. Look at this.
Oh, God.
She's awake. She's awake.
All right. Her clothes aren't ready. I'm soaking them.
Okay.
This is Frank. He says I'm gonna love London. I'm very lucky.
You sure are.
Tom, so I know you're going to have to make a pretty big change.
You don't know anything about me.
Excuse me?
Do you know what I do for a job?
Oh, yeah, you're a factory worker.
Yeah, when there's work to be had, and when there's not, I'm a cleaner. How much do you think I earn?
Not as much as you deserve, I'm sure.
Not enough to buy fancy food all the time.
It doesn't have to be fancy, just some fresh fruit and veggies. Even the canned stuff's good.
Do my kids look like they're hungry?
No, but you don't exactly look starving yourself either. That's not the point. It's what you're eating. So please, speak to the diabetes nurse and read the brochures that she gives you.
Can I help you? Hello, my name is Josephine Cooper.
You're Josephine Cooper.
I rented this house,
I'm sorry, but it seems we no longer have availability.
but I'd already arranged.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
Excuse me? What are we supposed to do?
This fellow. I cannot trust him. He's a Pole. And when Bertha is changing his sheets, he tries to speak to her of free love. You know what this means. For the man, it is free. Kati? He is with Scott.
I still want to see him.
So what do we do with these?
Drop him and drink on 3.
Drop them where?
3. Eat it, pussy. I win.
Very impressive.
I should have picked up on the signs. I just couldn't understand what he was saying.
Don't beat yourself up about it. When's the funeral?
This afternoon, I think. But I just can't face it. Murray, don't stare. You'll only encourage him. You still got that half a note? Thanks.
People would laugh at your jokes.